You only need 9 minutes to eradicate your ants, your automated negative thoughts, to boost your energy, to step into your purpose, and become more productive. How? By hacking your morning routine like Michelle Obama, Tony Robbins, Oprah Winfrey, Warren Buffett, and Kylie Jenner does every single day. They wake up at the same time every morning to repeat the same set of habits. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Michelle Obama wakes up every morning at 4:30 a.m. to exercise, Warren Buffett to read, Oprah Winfrey to write in her gratitude journal, Tony Robbins and Kylie Jenner to meditate. What's the first thing you did when you woke up this morning? Many of us hit snooze 25 times, followed by 15 minutes of lying in bed, scrolling through social media. What if you woke up and worked on yourself for 9 minutes each day? How would the quality of your day, your life, improve? Together, we'll build your morning routine to jumpstart your day. Your first tiny action: hydrate the minute you wake up. Here's the secret. Put a glass of water on your nightstand the night before. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. HitSavers app. 9 actionable items done in 9 minutes to hack your morning.
Hello, morning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast. I am your host, Lunid Lewis. Today, I have great news. I am here in this bonus episode to introduce the HitSavers app for your best morning routine ever. So exciting. What have I done? I have been chatting with some amazing entrepreneurs, collecting data on their morning habits, and these entrepreneurial habits are proven to improve health, more productivity, and increase mental clarity. So it's only right that I compile these recurring actionable habits and share them with you so you can have access to them. That's right. HitSavers app is scheduled to launch April 1st, 2020. Let me ask you, did you know doctors and psychologists have found out that what you do in the first 8 to 10 minutes in the morning sets the tone for the rest of your day? So I have to ask, how do you spend the first 10 minutes of your day? You see, most people spend it hitting snooze, grunting, and rolling over to get dressed and rushing out the door. What if that time was spent making yourself a better person? What if you woke up 10 minutes before you needed to each day and worked on yourself? What if you meditated instead of scrolling through social media? What if you decided to work out for 5 minutes to get your heart rate up instead of downing that cup of coffee to wake you up? What if you took a cold shower to give you more of that alert feeling? How would the quality of your day, your life improve? Well, morning enthusiasts, look no further, because the HitSavers app is 9 actionable items done in 9 minutes to improve the quality of your day. So here we go. Each acronym stands for habit. The first one is H, which stands for hydration. Hydrating first thing in the morning. The I stands for I am grateful journal, where you get to list out 3 things you are grateful for. T stands for time's up, make your bed. S is for silence. That is intentional silence and meditation. A is for affirmation, speaking I am affirmations to rid of the ant that we talk about a lot on the show, automated negative thoughts. The affirmation is there to reframe the mind. V is visioneering. It's visualizing with a twist, and we'll talk about that later. E, exercising, getting the heart rate up to give you energy throughout the day. R is for read, where you read to stimulate the mind to learn and to grow. And then S, the last one, is for shower, making the last 60 seconds of your shower ice cold to boost up your immune system, burn fat, increase metabolism, and of course, give you that boost of alertness. All right, so let's jump right to it. Today's acronym is A, which stands for affirmation in the HitSavers app. And the affirmation is really how the subconscious mind can be reprogrammed. So at infancy, we were designed to download data from the age of 0 to about 5 years old. We're just purely at alpha state, just downloading data and learning new languages, learning people's names, learning family structures, learning in school, just learning. And so we were not in a position or in a state of mind to judge or dismiss anything that was fed to us. And so what turns up happening is as we get older, some of those recordings or some of those programming that we learn in the home or at school, for instance, somebody telling us we can't accomplish something or you are not able to do something, well, sticks with us as we get older. And that programming keeps playing over and over in our head, and it no longer serves who we are as adults, but it so much has a great impact on who we are and how we show up in the world. And so affirmations are the way to change the language that we have with ourselves. It's the way to change the dialogue that goes on in our heads. And some of the dialogues are really self-sabotages, who we are as a healthy human being. Some of them are, I am not enough. I am not worthy. I can't do this. I am lonely. I am not smart. I am unlovable. Like these can actually affect the way you behave, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy of some sort. So in the morning, one thing that you can do is pull up the HitSavers app, and it will give you a daily affirmation that you can either read it to yourself, or you can go ahead and write and create your own. And so if you pull out your daily affirmation, the ones that remind you of your unlimited potential and your most important priorities, and you read them out loud, and you can focus on what's most important to you. And that will increase your internal motivation. So reading over the reminders of how capable you are gives you a feeling of confidence. Looking over what you're committed to, what your purpose is, and what your goals are, re-energizes you to take the actions necessary to live the life you truly want, deserve, and now know is possible for you. So affirmations are crucial, and some of my favorite affirmations are: I am blessed, I am victorious, I am talented, I am a child of God, I am no longer fearful, I am a great communicator, I am lovable and I am loving, I am caring, I am adding tremendous values to everyone around me. These are my affirmations, and they stand true to me. And I wake up every morning and reciting my affirmation to get my day going off on the right foot. And so this will be available for you. I did add in the app, the HitSavers app, the affirmation section, that I will feed you an affirmation every day. And again, you get to write your own into the app, and you get to read it and record yourself, and it could play it back for you. So it's a great way to reframe the mind, because we need to be cognizant of the thoughts that we're having. We need to start learning to talk to ourselves as if we're talking to a lover, be less self-critical, be less judgmental, and be more patient and more loving towards ourselves. Because if we are inward, we are outwardly towards others, right? So if we're loving towards ourselves, we'll be loving towards others. If we're kind towards ourselves, we'll be kind towards others. And so, y'all, tune in. The app is scheduled to launch April 1st. It's just 2 weeks away. It is going to be epic, and I want you to be the first to download it, to get grandfathered in. And of course, I will see you at the top of your best morning routine ever. Stay blessed.
You only need 9 minutes to eradicate your ants, your automated negative thoughts, to boost your energy, to step into your purpose and become more productive. How? By hacking your morning routine like Michelle Obama, Tony Robbins, Oprah Winfrey, Warren Buffett, and Kylie Jenner does every single day. They wake up at the same time every morning to repeat the same set of habits. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Michelle Obama wakes up every morning at 4:30 a.m. to exercise, Warren Buffett to read, Oprah Winfrey to write in her gratitude journal, Tony Robbins and Kylie Jenner to meditate. What's the first thing you did when you woke up this morning? Many of us hit snooze 25 times, followed by 15 minutes of lying in bed, scrolling through social media. What if you woke up and worked on yourself for 9 minutes each day? How would the quality of your day, your life, improve? Together, we'll build your morning routine to jumpstart your day. Your first tiny action: hydrate the minute you wake up. Here's the secret. Put a glass of water on your nightstand the night before. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. HitSavers app. 9 actionable items done in 9 minutes to hack your morning.